I've been having a headache for 3 days. I see. Can you describe the pain? Is it constant or intermittent? I think I might have the flu. I have a fever and body aches. Let's check your temperature. Have you been in contact with anyone who has the flu? My throat is really sore and it hurts to swallow. I'll take a look. Open your mouth and say "ah" for me, please. I've been experiencing chest pain. That's concerning. Can you point to where it hurts exactly? I've had a persistent cough for 2 weeks. Is it a dry cough, or are you coughing up anything? I'm having trouble sleeping at night. How long has this been going on? Do you have trouble falling asleep or staying asleep? I've been feeling very tired lately. Are you getting enough sleep? Have you noticed any other changes in your daily routine? My allergies are acting up. What symptoms are you experiencing? Have you tried any over-the-counter medications? I twisted my ankle while jogging. Let's take a look. Can you move your foot up and down? I've been having stomach pains after eating. Where exactly do you feel the pain? Does it occur after eating specific foods? I need a refill on my prescription. Certainly. Which medication do you need refilled? I've been feeling dizzy and lightheaded. How often do you experience this? Does it happen when you stand up quickly? I have a rash on my arm. Let me see. How long have you had this rash? Is it itchy? I've been experiencing lower back pain. Can you rate your pain on a scale of 1 to 10? Does the pain radiate to your legs? I think I might have an ear infection. I'll examine your ear. Have you noticed any discharge or hearing loss? I've been having frequent urination. How many times a day are you urinating? Have you noticed any pain or burning sensation? My vision has been blurry lately. When did you first notice this? Do you wear glasses or contact lenses? I've lost my appetite and have been losing weight. How much weight have you lost? Have you been feeling nauseous? I've been having heart palpitations. How often do you experience this? Does it happen during physical activity? My joints have been aching, especially in the morning. Which joints are affected? Do you have any swelling or stiffness? I've been feeling more anxious than usual. Can you describe what triggers your anxiety? How long have you been feeling this way? I'm here for my annual checkup. Great, let's start by checking your vital signs. Have you had any health concerns since your last visit? I've been experiencing numbness in my left hand. How long has this been happening? Does it affect your entire hand or specific fingers? I need to get some vaccinations for my upcoming trip. Where are you traveling to? When is your departure date? I've been having trouble concentrating at work. How long has this been going on? Have you experienced any recent stressors? My child has a high fever. How high is the fever? Has your child been experiencing any other symptoms? I've been having nosebleeds frequently. How often do the nosebleeds occur? Have you had any injuries to your nose recently? I'm experiencing shortness of breath. Does this happen during physical activity or at rest? Have you had any chest pain? I've noticed a lump in my breast. I'll need to examine that. When did you first notice the lump? Has it changed in size? My knee swells up after I exercise. How long does the swelling last? Do you experience any pain with the swelling? I've been having digestive issues. Can you describe your symptoms? Have you made any recent changes to your diet? I need to get my blood pressure checked. Sure, let's do that now. Have you been monitoring your blood pressure at home? I've been experiencing migraines. How often do you get migraines? Have you identified any triggers? My child has a rash and a fever. Let's take a look. When did the symptoms start? Has your child been around anyone who's been ill? I've been feeling depressed lately. I'm sorry to hear that. How long have you been feeling this way? Have you had any thoughts of self-harm? I need to get my cholesterol checked. We can do a blood test for that. Have you been fasting for the past 12 hours? I've been experiencing hair loss. When did you first notice this? Is it coming out in patches or thinning all over? My feet have been swelling up. Is this happening in both feet? Have you noticed any changes in your weight recently? I have a persistent runny nose. How long has this been going on? Have you been exposed to any allergens recently? I've been having trouble hearing lately. Is this affecting one ear or both? Have you been exposed to loud noises recently? I need a physical exam for my new job. Certainly. Do you have any specific forms that need to be filled out? I've been experiencing hot flashes. How often do these occur? Are you experiencing any other menopausal symptoms? My child has been complaining of leg pain. Can your child point to where it hurts? Does the pain wake them up at night? I've been having tremors in my hands. When do you notice these tremors? Do they occur at rest or when you're doing something? I need to get a mole checked. Let's take a look. Has the mole changed in size, shape, or color recently? I've been experiencing memory loss. Can you give me an example of when you've noticed this? Is it affecting your daily activities? I have a sore on my tongue that won't heal. Let me examine that. How long have you had this sore? Is it painful? I've been having night sweats. How often is this happening? Are you experiencing any other symptoms like fever or weight loss? My child has been bedwetting recently. How often is this occurring? Has there been any change in your child's routine or stress levels? I need to discuss the results of my recent tests. Of course, I have your results here. Do you have any specific concerns you'd like to address?